Hello everyone. Do you want to deploy a web server on your Raspberry Pi? Here I'm giving you a brief demo of how to do it. You can upload an image and see what images are there on the web page. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to deploy a web server on our Raspberry Pi. It will be a very simple web page that you can access on through the internet, which will be running on my Raspberry Pi. So as you can see on the screen, I've already logged into my Raspberry Pi through the SSH connection, and currently we are running the command line terminal in my Raspberry Pi. So let me first go to my project folder, which is yes. So here are the files of my listed. So currently the website that we are trying to make is a very simple one. You can upload an image from your local machine into the website, and the website will display that image. So let's go into the code of how to make it. And first you have to you'll be using Python for this thing. So let's open the Python script. Yeah, here is my code to run the website. First we have to download the dependencies, the libraries. So you'll be using Flask. So from Flask you'll be downloading Flask render template, request, redirect, URL for, and send from directories. We'll be using OS for our handling OS directories. I'll be using PIL image. So here you are using app. We're creating an app under Flask for the web server. So here app, all the activities of the Flask will be routed through this app. We'll be using dataset as my upload folder, so all the images that the user will be uploading will be saved into this dataset. We are storing the dataset source path into my upload folder config file. In the next line, we are creating the upload folder if it doesn't exist. For that, to make it, you're using the os makedir function. So here you could see once my app is created, the def index function will basically upload all the images that are there in my dataset folder. So if there are no images, it will not upload any file to the web page. Here the upload option is there. So here the user will have the option to upload the file that on the web page. So here you can see if file is not in the request file, then obviously just go to the current URL. The file will get the path, they will get the list of files. So in the request files, whatever the list of files have been provided, that file will have. Again, if file name is nothing, then again we will go to the request URL. If file is there, so if you are uploading something file, this file path will basically join a unique folder and file name. So the file upload folder is the dataset folder that we have indicated earlier, and the file name is what the user's file name will be there in their local machine. Upon joining these two, the file will be saved in the file path. So the file path will be saved in the upload folder. Optionally, you can have a thumbnail. You can create a thumbnail on the web page using this function. So image open. So we'll open the file, and it will create a thumbnail of size 500 by 500. Once that happens, we'll again go to redirect URL for index. So index will function. So once you have a dataset you have a file name in the dataset folder, this function will send the image. So all these functions are communicating using the index HTML. So now we'll see the index HTML. Before seeing that, just finally comment. So the code will be running through this. So if name is function app run host, so we will be running this at code at port 5000. So this is my Python program for deploying the web page. Now let us go and see the HTML page of index. To go back, yeah. So again opening, so that is in my templates folder. We have just seen my Flask script. We have also created a version 2, but that is not the scope for this video. So we have just saw the Flask script Py file. My index.html is in my templates folder. So let me just open my, go into my templates folder. So this index.html, this is my index.html that we have to see. So here again saying we are creating a doc type in HTML. Here is my header file, here is my body file. So in the body file is kept very simple. H1 is my header 1. Upload image will be there in the body, and it will have two input types. The form method is a post type, where the action is upload. So you could see that in our Python program also we had an upload action function. So here we are putting an input type file. So it receives a file input, and the name will be file. Now once we upload the file, it will have a submit button to upload the file. Once this is being done, the file will be uploaded. Next header will have my uploaded images. So this here we are referring for image in images. So this images will contain all the image files that are there in my dataset folder. So we are creating a for loop to retrieve those images one by one, and then we are showing the thumbnail of those images in my web page. So as you could see, it's a very simple program, simple HTML file to upload images and then view those images. So let me just go back. So now let me go back again to project folder. So to run this program, we have to just run the Python Flask file. So after running it, let's see the output. So here we are running it, and as you can see, this running is on all addresses and running on HTTP. This is my local IP where it is running. So you can just open it and check. Remember that I'm running it port 5000. So I'll just open it in my Safari browser. Okay, just let me open it from here. Yeah, so this is the IP address and port 5000 where it is running. So yeah, so here you could see my uploaded images. So I can choose to upload an image from here. So this was upload image, my header 1 file, and uploaded images header 2. So I'll select to upload an image from here. Choose file. Let me just select this image which is there on my desktop. Yes. And once I press this button, let's see what happens. Voila. So now you could see the image is uploaded in my dataset folder, and it is there. So you can choose to upload many other images. Let's say I'm creating a screenshot of this. So this is saved. Now let me just go back and select my images. So here's my screenshot which has just saved just now. I will upload it again. I'll again press the upload button. So now you see that this website, this web page is now is asking users to input the upload image and submit to upload it, and then all those images which are uploaded in the dataset folder is being on display. So this is very simple web page, and this is all running on my Raspberry Pi. It's not running on my local MacBook. It is running on my Raspberry Pi. Just to see whether these files are stored or not, you can just check the file name here, 630 and image png. So while going back to my terminal again, let me just close it. So you can close it by Control C option. So here we have closed it. Now let me just check the file where they are stored. So let me just open the data set, and yes, so here are the two image files that we have just uploaded and we've seen. So my friends, you can deploy any website on your Raspberry Pi, and then you can see that website on anywhere from the world. Currently I am only using from my local network, but through the public IP of that Raspberry Pi, you can deploy that website and access it from anywhere in the world. So let me know how you find this video. If you want to have more content on deploying websites on Raspberry Pi, or do you have any specific what anything that you'd require, please let me know in my comments. Thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe for more videos on this topic. Thank you.